Hello and welcome to 2 Minute Watches. Today we've got the Christopher Ward C63 Sealander automatic in black. This is a revamped version 2 of the kind of popular, I guess to say, kind of the basic, entry-level Christopher Ward model. So it's a three-hand automatic. They have the Trident, which has the diver bezel around it. So this is their kind of mixture of everything watch. They've done quite a lot to the new version 2. One of the main features is the polished bezel, so it's gone for a general, more dressy revamp. The bezel is polished. The indices have been trimmed down, so you can see if you go closer, they are much more tapered rather than kind of more rectangular. They have got a date window. It reminds me a lot of the new Omega Aquaterra shades in black. Actually, a lot of it looks similar. They've got rid of the crown guard so that you can just see the crown itself. So again, removing a lot of the toolish elements of it. Display case back. The consort bracelet is the more dressy one. You can also get it on their Beta Oyster style bracelet as well. But now they've gone kind of more dressy with the overall vibe. I think that seems to really suit. So it looks really good as well. And such a wearable size, 36mm case size, just 42mm lug to lug, which is really good. What else comes in the box? Really like the kind of the box itself is kind of personalized. They've got a kind of a tray which is got a lot of their kind of branding on there. I think it's eco-friendly packaging. They make a lot of that. Looking at their box, well, it's like a rubber leatherette box. But the tray itself is real wood. Because I can't really tell sometimes with the Omega, it looks like wood, but I'm not sure whether it's varnished wood or just plastic with a wood veneer. So this is definitely a wooden box, which is actually quite nice. You've got the warranty card, the booklet, it's a cleaning cloth as well in that one. So a few nice stuff from Christopher Ward. Just feel like their branding, particularly in the UK, ever since they started sponsoring Everton Football Club as a sleeve sponsor in the Premier League. I think that kind of brand presence has definitely increased. And actually, one of the things they did do here was actually increase the size of the logo here. So they have that applied brushed metal logo, and it's much bigger than it is before. So it takes a bigger proportion of the overall dial space. Looks really nice. I'll be doing a proper review soon, but for those who are enticed by the photos, seems to be a lot of like AI, or at least a lot of photography effects on it, which you can't really tell what it looks like in person. So hopefully this persuades a few of you to think about it. Do let me know what you think of the initial thoughts in the comments, and I'll do a longer review soon. Thanks for watching.